So, dito na tayo bibili ng tubig. 10 liters. Also pala guys, magpapa-Gcash na ako kasi need ko bayaran through Gcash yung balance natin sa unit. Later! Swimming? Swimming ka?
No.
Why? Swimming? Swimming ka.
Sheets like daddy.
Ha? Ay, dala ni Mickey Mouse mo? Hi. Hi. Hello kuya, yung carrot walnut po.
Next po.
No, ito pong meal. Yes po. Thank you po. Thank you. Kuya, follow me. Thank you. Bisa ka ring steak? Bel? Bisa ka ring steak? No? Anthony, daddy? Wala na kay mood. Hello ate, meron nga chicken bake roll. Take out please. Hot dog with bacon.
Ano po?
At saka merong soda.
Yung unlimited na.
Magkano ba yung limited?
65.
Okay,
Ano pa rin?
all good.
Membership.
Bel! Ang manong!
Hi sir. Hi ma'am. Good afternoon.
Belly!
Bam.
Ay, may akakit na eh. Tapos may may salamin mo na eh.
Ani? Yeah. Diretso tayo nila. Yummy? Yum? Hello? Hello, Kazur? Sorry guys kung mauga. Ang dami kong dala. So from level 3 parking lot, andito yung lift. We'll go to 18th floor. So, hanapin natin yung 1819. I think it's right here. There. Grabe guys, nangangain ng tayo smart lock. So, bababa muna ako ulit. Susunduin ko si Daddy tsaka si Ben. Tara, Bel! Hello, beautiful people! So, let's have a quick room tour. Papakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura ng unit namin. Yan kanina, smart lock siya. Actually, nangangain to ng syunga-syunga. There you go. So, yan. So guys, mag-voice over na muna tayo from here kasi dinig na dinig yung pinapanood ni Belle. Anyways, here's their bathroom. So meron silang napakalaking salamin dito. May sink, may free toothbrush and toothpaste. And then on this side, meron din silang hair blower, the toilet bowl with the bidet, which is very good. And then shower, may conditioner, shampoo na din. And of course, bucket and dipper. Kompleto din yung kitchen, especially sa panluto. So, here's the induction cooker. And then, meron din silang etong gamit na panluto, kawali, plates, glasses, pitcher. And then, on this side, ito naman yung sink. And then, the electric kettle, the rice cooker. Ayan, microwave. So, sa ilalim pala ng induction cooker, nandito yung utensils like yung knives, scissors, spoon and fork, as well as yung panluto. They also have a mini ref where you can store your food. May complimentary water bottle, and then coffee, creamer, and sugar, and then 2 cups. Then, ito naman yung very cute nila na dining table. Ang cute din netong sofa chair sa tabi netong queen size bed. They have paintings rin na ang cute. And then, may accent din pala yung ating dining table. Sa ilalim naman yung aircon. And then, mayroon ding TV na may Netflix. Kaya tuwang-tuwa si Aling Maliit. Then finally, ito na yung kanilang balcony. So actually ito talaga yung dahilan kaya namin talaga binook itong unit na ito. Kasi itong si Daddy nag-request ng view daw ng Mount Arayat at saka ng NLEX. Pagkasend nga sa akin ng agent na itong view na to, na-imagine ko na yung sarili ko na nag-breakfast dito, nagko-coffee, ganyan. Actually, hindi pala ako nagko-coffee. So, nag-Milo talaga ako dito. Kaso, hindi kami nagsabay ni Daddy kasi salitan nga kami sa pag-aalaga kay Belle. Meron din silang napakalaking mirror dito where you can take your selfies or your group pictures. So, dito na rin kami nag-take ng family pictures. So, mag-prepare muna kami. Magsuswimming na kami. Let's Belly! Hi! Mermaid! Hi! So, from the unit, bumaba lang kami sa may ground floor. And then, from the lobby, or from there, dyan sa pinto na yan, pwedeng dumaan. So, here's the pool. Guys, before paying here, kailangan munang pumunta dito sa what they call clubhouse para magpa-register. And then, isi-show lang daw itong tour pass. Let's go. Yes po.
Ang bali po, unit number ma'am.
1819 po.
1819. Bali. Studio po siya ma'am.
Yes.
Okay po. Nag-list na lang po lahat ng names mo sa swimming. Age po, bakibasa doon sa 29.
Okay. Hello, Ben! Wow! Ben! Hi! Hi! Ben! Oh, swim ka, swim! Come on! Swim! Hello! Here comes the wave! Wow! Bella! Hello! Hello! And just like that, gabi na. Lahat na ng oras? So, 7 na ng gabi. Halida ka! Gagampanan natin ang ating wife and mommy duties. Kaya, gusto daw ng steak ni Carl. So, lulutuin ko. So, magsasaing muna tayo. Ang aming boss, ayan. Tulog na. Borlogs. Si baby. Good night. Love you. Papakita ko sa inyo guys yung view ng room namin at night time. Gising? Malangot? Malangot ka? Malangot? Hi guys, so it's almost 10 p.m. now. So matutulog na kami. Lunch naman po. Lalagyan lang tayo ng konti. Medyo ayos. Para makatulog tayo ng maayos. Time to sleep. See you tomorrow. Hello guys, good morning. Ako makapagsalita ng lakas kasi tulog pa yung mag-ama ko. So it's currently 6:30 na ng umaga. Sobrang tirik ng araw dito. Pakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura ng balcony pag umaga. Guys, yung Sky Garden nila or Sky Deck ay located dito sa may gilid ng kanilang clubhouse. So, dito sa clubhouse, dyan muna magpapa-register before you can swim. So, if you have time, you can also go here sa kanilang Sky Garden. So, let's see what they got here. Nice. Okay. So, ito siya. This is the view from here. Doon kami nagpicture kahapon nila daddy. Okay. It's nice. So, nandito ako ngayon sa pool. Actually, nag-swimming na kami kahapon. Kasama ko si Belle. Ngayon sabi ko kay Carl, bababa lang ako saglit, magpipicture lang ako. Kasi hindi ako makapag-picture pagkasama ko yung anak ko. Of course, naka-mommy mode tayo. Anyways, share ko lang. So, dito sa pool, 200 pesos yung bayad. Okay? That's per head. Actually, free yung mga bata. 3 feet pababa. If I'm not mistaken. And then guys, yung pagbayad is per shifting. So, may dalawang shift kasi sila dito from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then 2 p.m. up until 7 p.m. So yun yung dalawang shift nila. So like what happened sa amin kahapon, since nag-swimming kami, nagbayad ako ng 200. That's for the shift na from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. Ngayon, since hindi nga ako nakapag-picture kahapon, nagbayad ako ulit. So this shift is from from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. Ayan. And guys, pansin ko lang, hindi ka makakapandaya dito. Why? Kasi aside from, syempre, konsensya mo na lang, nakakatakot din baka makilala ng guard. Not just that. Don't take the risk. Kasi guys, meron silang ganito. Itong band. So ngayon, blue band siya. Kahapon it's orange. So, ways, tapos na akong mag-picture. Babalikan ko lang si Belle sa unit kasi iniwan ko siya kay daddy. So, yeah.
Ayan, Johnny Monkey.
Hello beautiful people! So just like that, nakauwi na kami from our staycation. So after posting some photos and videos, ang daming friends and relatives ang nag-reach out asking how and where we book our unit. So a good friend of mine, her name is Mina, shout out kay Kabes, she invited me to join this page. It's called Azure North Pampanga Staycation of official page. So I'll just show it sa screen dito so you'll know which page I'm talking about. So on this page, you can actually post your details such as dates ng pagstay, kung ilan kayo, and kung ano yung prefer nyo na unit. If you prefer units na may bedrooms or yung studio type lang tulad nung sa amin. Eventually, mag-reach out yung mga agents or yung mga property owner to offer their place. So, if you prefer naman yung studio type unit na book namin, you can also message them directly here. Yan, show ko rin, i-flash ko din sa screen yung page nila. So, you can get the same unit na pinagstayan namin. Just a friendly reminder, guys, that before doing any transactions, please make sure to do a legit check. Pwede kayong mag-post or magpa-legit check dun mismo sa page ng Azure North Staycation Pampanga official page. So, in terms of parking, may free at merong hindi. So, yung free parking, it's located in front of Home Depot. Only, it will be 5 to 10 minutes walk from there to the building. Sa amin kasi, inconvenient siya given na may kasama kaming bata. So, mas pinili namin yung 300 pesos overnight na parking within the building. It's actually on the 3rd floor. And then, from the parking lot, may access siya sa lift. So, yun, mas madali kang makakapunta sa unit. So, guys, I hope naka-help tong mga information na to sa inyo. And at least, nabigyan ko kayo ng idea how it looks like doon. And I hope makapag-stay din kayo. So, thank you for watching. By the way, please don't forget to follow and support my socials. So, my Facebook account is Charlotte Vergara. My IG account, it's Love Lottie IG. And then, lastly, my TikTok is Love Lottie. So, ayan. Thank you again for watching and Have a good day! Bye!